Those are cozy.
Wait, did his
I just
did
went
his
big and
dogs
then
get
went small.
executed?
Huh?
I mean, put down?
Yeah, didn't you see the police had to shoot?
Oh,
Police had to shoot 2 dogs.
yeah. If you ask what's happening, there was some show that we were watching. Alright, guys. That was our cozy campfire video. I'm the best at Fortnite here.
No, you're not. You're not close to being me.
I'm better than him. Alright, bye guys.